Hello, friends, and welcome back to A Cozy Lifestyle with Clearissa Coward. Today's video is going to be a decorate with me, just a slight cleaning, a wipe down of my buffet in my dining room, and then I'm going to decorate it for fall. It will mainly be in neutral colors, but you know me, I have to add a little of the fall oranges, browns, and of course greens, So I want you to come on in, get cozy, get you something to drink. I don't know about you, but it's still warm where we are, but I'm in the fall mood and I'm just gonna think and go with my air conditioner and believe that it's chilly outside. I know it's coming, I just have to wait a little while. But come on in and let's start this fall decorating. This is part 2 of my fall decorating series. So come on in and let's get started. So friends, this buffet is one of my favorite things to decorate in our home. I love just the clean white look of it, and with it being white, the dining room is basically white as well, decorated in white anyway. And that just gives me all sorts of leeway to add all different pops of color and to change it up just by adding accessories and leaving everything else basic and white. The room is not large. As you know, we live in a cozy space, but it can come off with large appeal when it's decorated correctly. So right now I'm using my Mrs. Meyer's and I'm wiping everything down. It was just done recently, not long ago, for late summer, but as I said, it's one of my favorite places to decorate in the house, so I thought I'd add a little fall to it as well. This year I am trying to go with a lot of neutral colors, but as I said in the intro, I start out doing that and then I look at all of my fall decor and all of the oranges and browns and that sort of thing, and I feel compelled. I just feel compelled to add some of that to the decor. So that will happen today as well. But I hope that I am evening it out, so to speak, or less orange. It won't look like fall has thrown up, for a better choice of words, in our home, but it will look fall. I really don't go for purples and that sort of thing, so it'll be the oranges and the neutrals. So I hope you enjoy this. I hope you are inspired to begin decorating in your home. As I said, it's still warm here, but it is fall. We've only got 30 days before, the actual fall date comes around. So I'm just ready. I'm just so over summer this year. It's been so warm and so hot. So, and I love fall. It's just so cozy. I just think fall is the best season ever. So, I'm just going to get started. This pick that's in my hand, I got from Hobby Lobby, and they were at 40% off. Now, I don't actually know the price, but I don't think I picked up anything that was over $8.99. I don't think I did. So we can just kind of take it at that. The leaves in the back were also from Hobby Lobby. As a matter of fact, everything in this vase came from Hobby Lobby at their 40% off sale. And I really didn't need to buy. I have a whole garbage bag full of just fall florals, but it's all colorful and I wanted to go, like I said, with a little neutral this year. So I purchased a few, not too much, and that was all. Most everything else that I use will be things that I've had. And anything that I did purchase, I will let you know what it is and where I purchased it from, so that if it's something that you really, really like, that you can go and get it too. But my florals are either from Hobby Lobby or the Dollar Tree. And I mix the sort of expensive with the not so expensive, and it always comes out very pretty. At least I think so, and I hope that you do as well. The pumpkins I purchased last year, so they are not new. and I have 2 of those. And you notice that I keep those white plates there most of the time because they serve 2 purposes. They're pretty because they're white, but it's also storage. I have so many place settings until I'm running out of space. So because they're all basically white, or they're white around the edges and the design is in the center, I can sit them here, and it's kind of storage as well. So guys, I'm going to continue decorating. Oh, before I go, I'd like to make sure I remember to say, if you are new here, welcome. If this is your first time here, welcome. And I hope that you'll hit that subscribe button below and also the bell so you'll be notified of all upcoming content. On this site, we do decorating seasonally as we're doing today. We also do a lot of cleaning and organizing and recipes, and just all about homemaking to make your home feel cozy and special, and we do it on a budget. That's our niche. So if that sounds like something that you would enjoy, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right now while you're thinking about it, and hit the bell as well. I have lots more fall decor coming up, as well as some organization videos and a few DIYs before the holiday seasons are over as well. So come on and join our little family. We have a good time over here. And for my ride or dies, you know who you are. I love you, I love you, I love you. And I am so grateful and thankful that you all have decided to share your life and to allow me to share my life with you. So now we're going to go ahead and continue decorating. Friends, I love the soft pumpkins because you can place those so easily. They can fit in baskets. They can be used as pillows on the couch. They're just so easy to use. So if you can find any of those, make sure you pick them up if you don't have some already. The orange ones are from, I believe I got a bag of those last year from Hobby Lobby, I'm thinking. And I'm adding the leaves just to make it a little interesting and to add a little texture so that everything isn't so flat as well. I don't want to overdo it, but I do want to make it feel like fall. Some people aren't ready for their pumpkins, but I am. So guess what? We're ready for the reveal. I'm so glad that you joined me today. And this is the night view, by the way. With everything lit. This was very, I want to say it was therapeutic for me. It made me happy and feel that fall is on the way. And I hope you enjoyed it as well, and I hope that you were inspired by the little touches that I added. It doesn't take much, and it doesn't take a lot of money. As I said, the only thing new were a few florals, and that was it. So friends, again, I'm glad you were here. I hope that you will come back very, very soon. For my ride or dies, again, I know you'll be back, and I love you for it. I'm going to remind you to find something today to bring joy into your life. Once you find your joy, share it with someone else. You'll be glad you did. It'll make you feel, oh, so good. And with that said, my friends, I'm going to leave you the way that I always do, with lots of love, with hugs, and with blessings. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye. Enjoy the rain. I do.